Hi, this is Varun and Nisha from the Edge podcast of CHROs. This is a quick 1 month check-in that Nisha and I thought we'll sort of put together to condense our learnings into this one video and to also be honest about how the things that went right and things that didn't, and essentially what season two and everything else ahead will look like for the Edge and everything else that we're doing at this point in time. So I'll just take a couple of minutes to quickly run you through some of our stats, and we've been as transparent as possible with these things, and I hope you guys appreciate this as well. So in terms of our own numbers, as you can see right here, uh, so this is basically like a 30-day condensation of our numbers across various platforms that we're currently present in. So Nisha and I primarily use LinkedIn as our main platform, and that's where we really do most of our connection, most of our promotion, and most of our syndication of content as well. And so in the last 30 days alone, our page views have grown over 1,000%, and so have our unique visitors, which is a good sign, which helps us see that we're getting discovered more in the industry as well, uh, which also percolates down to our videos where we actually host it on YouTube. And so which has been pretty interesting to note as well. So we've completed 1,000 total views in the last 28 days alone, and we're slowly inching towards 40 subscribers, and 60 hours of total watch time has been done. Substack is where Nisha and I sort of believe that the Edge stands is positioned in a way where it actually develops a very close one-to-one relationship with every member that's present in our email list entirely. Because if you've been following our newsletter, and if you've been enjoying the editions as well, we really take time to curate content and to really go deeper into every episode right there, and which has been sort of well received as well, because our average open rates have consistently been over 38 and 40%. So and in terms of the kind of people who coming to us, in terms of personas, 40% again of our audience is senior roles, and then 17% is managers, and collectively I'd say roughly about 30% comprises of CXOs and directors. In terms of company sizes alone, which is what's interesting, we're gradually becoming more relevant to enterprises and to our actual target audience that we always wanted to sort of be a part of. But what's also interesting to note, right, the Edge sort of exists in two different extremities right now, and which is very interesting because um, as you can see, right, 40% of our audience is from 2 to 200 employees, like, which is because the Edge wants to sort of condense strategic advice or platitudes or anecdotes, anything that people that have read and sort of seen outside, into something that's tactical, right? And Nisha is going to speak more about this in terms of how we are extrapolating this into actual ideas and actions for the next seasons. So that's how it's been with us, right? In terms of our industry alone, which is sort of expected that most of our audience normally comes from computer software and IT industry as well. But what's interesting, the public sector, healthcare, and consumer electronics as well have also started to gain notice of the work that Nisha and I have been doing, and they sort of comprise for the other majority of the traffic that's coming to our LinkedIn page as well. So this is entirely how sort of we've been growing the last 30 days. And Nisha, over to you right now. Why don't you tell us about what we have in mind in terms of growing this podcast and everything else?
Thanks, Varun. It's so heartening to see the progress, but I also think that it's so early to kind of um, really determine, or really, I think to some extent, yes, we can be happy, but there's a long way to go. And I really, whoever's watching this, I would consider to request, I mean, I would request for your support, request for your continued feedback. I think that's what makes us grow, and which is why, Varun, and why I even decided that we will do this video, because it's not about yes, it is about celebrating milestones to some extent, but it is also to be transparent in terms of the feedback we have been receiving, and therefore telling you how do we want to iterate, right? So in this period of a month, remember that Varun and I have been working actually on this for 5 months now, and we went live just a month back. And in that period, what have we learned? One, we've learned that we are going to cut short the time of our podcast from about an hour to now 30 minutes only. We also launched a new property called Quick Takes, which, if you have been following The Edge, you will know that this has been doing really, really well. It is hot topics, it is quick, it is snazzy, and to some extent contrarian, which is something that, Varun and I bring to the table in any case. The third thing we're doing, and this is what excites us the most now, is season two. So we're calling for entries for your ideas and also people that you want to refer to us that we should speak to. And here's what we're thinking of, right? For season two, our idea is that for season one, we kind of built around a larger theme, which was return to work. This time around, from feedback and from our own observation, we've learned that we want to get deeper into the HR function in an organization itself, and therefore we want to do a case study approach, right? So we want to talk to senior, of course, CHROs as well as business leaders about the change that they have brought into an organization. For example, we're talking to somebody, in the automotive industry, for example, talking about how they built culture in a nascent startup. How has X enterprise really grown or built its hybrid work setup. So what we're trying to tell you is that this time we are going deeper into the how. We will be asking deeper questions into actual processes, and also to some extent measurement, to some extent the real metrics, right? Our idea is to build out at least 10 to 12 such episodes of case studies that can lie on the internet for posterity. Really, anybody can look at it at any time, and um that's what the edge is about also. So yes, Varun, I think I'm done. I know I went on a slight rant. I'm sorry, it
No,
was
I
a
mean
bit
it's
long.
super important. I mean it's very. I think the reason that we're sort of having this call, or I mean, or having this recording, is that we want to be as transparent with our audience as possible. We want them to be a part of this journey because while the videos, while everything else will, like Nisha said, exist for posterity as well, we also want to sort of build a relationship with each one of our audience as well for as long as possible. I think that it's very important that you're also part of this journey. So in the description, I'm going to link in mine and Nisha's LinkedIn. I'm going to also link in the Edge's LinkedIn page in our newsletter as well, and you can check it out and always connect with us as well if you have any ideas, any feedback, or if you want to do a warm introduction. We'd really appreciate that. Other than that, please stay tuned to the Edge podcast for CHRs. This is me and Nisha signing off for this video. Thanks again.